In today's video, I will teach you how to make a photography business card in Canva. Let's get started. Now that we've made a logo and flyers for your photography business, it's time to make business cards to further advertise your business. First, open Canva, and in the home page, type in the keyword photography business card on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the hundreds of available business card templates for photography business in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the Create the Design option at the top panel and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. And once you've opened your canvas or template, you can now customize your business card based on your preferred design. If you would like to be more precise with your work, you can simply enable the guidelines, print bleeds, and margin on the File tab. To import images and brand elements to Canva, you can simply open the Uploads tab to import the images from your computer. In case of the elements, you can add illustrations and graphics from the Elements tab. Simply search the keyword for different types of elements, and in case of your photography business, Canva has a vast collection of elements under the photography keyword. Canva also lets you create your own brand kit that would be convenient if you're planning on making more projects under the same business. To do this, click on the Logos tab on the sidebar, and as you can see here, we have an untitled brand kit. Now, simply click on the Edit option. Here, you can upload your logo and create your own color palette. You can also upload your own font or simply choose Canva's vast font library to use for your brand. And once you're done, simply close the panel and the brand kit will automatically save to your account. Lastly, to add text, simply open the Text tab and select which type of text you would like to make, or simply use the text combination presets in the text library. And on the top panel, you can change the font style, the font size, and the color of the text. Make sure to add your contact information, business handles, as well as your studio's location so that people can reach out to your business easily. To save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the right format for your file. I highly recommend using either PNG or JPG as a file format. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.